Next, we'll study about the transformer. There are different other types of transformer also. One is the auto transformer. Auto transformer means it's automatic. Automatic means in this we'll use only the single winding, and with the connection of single winding, uh, with the use of single winding, we connect the transformer. Let's see how. See how in this case we have done tapping over here. Here the primary voltage is connected. Primary number of turns is denoted by N1. Okay, primary voltage is there. Then in that case secondary voltage is there. So secondary side we have connected with the load. Okay. Now see, if we'll see from this side, as you can see 1, 2, 5, 6 number of turns are connected, right? Can we say that number of turns is, but if we'll see from the secondary side 1, 2, so number of turns is reduced by 3. So basically it is half. If we have given 100 volt to the supply, can you tell me how much voltage we'll get at the output side? Remember the formula is N1 by N2 is equal to V1 by V2, right? N1 is how much? 6 by 3 equal to 100 by V. If we'll solve it, then that would be V2 is equal to. So it means we are using which kind of transformer? We are using step down transformer. As you can see, if number of turns are more and in the primary and number of turns are less in the secondary, that means it is decreasing the voltage. And for decreasing the voltage, we are using the step down transformer. Correct? Hmm? So this is step down transformer which is used to decrease the voltage. Here the number of turns is 1 is greater and number of turns in the secondary side is less. Now if we want to do the opposite thing, again we'll use a single winding, and in this we'll have done tapping at this side. Basically we will use tapping here. So that depends on us that where we actually want to connect. Okay, suppose I have connected supply from here, then in that case load is connected to the secondary side, right? So now in this case, this will behave as a number of turns N1 and this will behave as a number of turns N2. This is N1, this. So in this case, N1 is less and N2 is more. So it will behave as a step up transform. Correct? As a step up transformer. So basically in the single winding we are using it as a primary side and it as a secondary side. So that kind of thing is known as auto transformer. Secondary winding or primary winding we can use it by use tapping. Okay, got it? Okay. If they'll give you the question of auto transformer, then in that case they'll give you directly that write a short note on auto transform.